PUMATRAC Honest Review. Watch before using. PUMATRAC is Puma's fitness app designed for users who want a personalized workout experience with a focus on running and functional training. The app offers a wide range of workouts, from HIIT sessions to yoga and stretching, making it versatile for both beginner and advanced users. One of its standout features is the use of real-time data, like weather and time of day, to customize your training recommendations. This is ideal if you're someone who likes to train based on external factors. PUMATRAC also syncs with Apple Health and Google Fit, allowing you to track your progress effortlessly across platforms. The app's clean interface makes it easy to navigate through workouts, but it's not just about exercise. PUMATRAC also includes motivational content from Puma ambassadors and athletes to keep you inspired. For runners, it provides distance, pace, and elevation tracking, but its unique feature is the integration of Spotify and Apple Music, so you can match your playlist to your workout. However, while the app offers plenty of workouts for free, there is a limit to how much you can access without upgrading to a premium subscription. It's worth mentioning that some users may find the app's focus on Puma branding a bit distracting, as it can feel like you're in a constant Puma ad. In terms of who it's made for, PUMATRAC is great for people looking for diverse workout options that extend beyond just running. It's particularly useful for those who like motivational content and workout tracking integration. But if you're someone who wants a more comprehensive strength training program or detailed nutritional advice, you might feel limited here. The app shines in flexibility and outdoor training, but lacks depth in structured programs compared to more specialized fitness apps. In conclusion, PUMATRAC is a solid choice if you're looking for a free, customizable fitness app with a focus on running and general fitness. Just be aware of its limitations with premium content and branding focus.